it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing the benefits of reading.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I feel it's extremely important for you to shift your mindset from a negative one to a more positive one. There are a lot of benefits to reading, so let's get into the video. One of my favorite reasons for reading is because you can learn from so many people, so many successful people. There are people out there like Jay Shetty, Michelle Obama, or Don Miguel Ruiz, and Louise L. Hay, and Warren Buffett. There are so many people out there that you can learn from in all different areas. So that's one of my favorite reasons why I read. I've learned so much from reading, and it's changed my life. So that is also another benefit, is that it can change your life if you implement the things that you have learned from the book. Also, you can learn from those who are dead, like Steve Jobs and Martin Luther King. Those are people who are no longer with us, and you can still, to this day, learn from them. You can literally have mentors through reading books and watching videos. You can learn from people who are similar to where you want to be or who you want to be. You get their exact words, their ideas, their mindset, their experience, and their advice. Like, who wouldn't want that? You don't even have to. It'd be pretty cool to meet some of these people in person, but you don't even have to be in person with them in order to learn from them. You don't have to actually know them one-on-one in order to learn from them. And that's a great way to find mentors and be mindful of the people you surround yourself with. Because the people you surround yourself with have a very large impact on who you are and the action that you take on your life. So being able to surround yourself with these successful people through books is a great way to learn. So some more benefits of reading is that it improves your memory and it improves your vocabulary. It also can reduce stress and anxiety. So read a book if you feel anxious or if you're getting stressed out. It's actually better than walking. So read and exercise your brain. I don't know about you, but I have been challenging myself to read every single day, at least 30 minutes a day. So lately I've been reading in the morning and at night, because I don't want to only just end my day with reading. I love reading, so it's a lot of fun for me to start my day that way as well. And because I read self-help and self-improvement books, it helps me begin my day in the right mindset as well. So include it in your morning routine, include it in your nighttime routine. Trust me, it's going to benefit you so much. Learn from those you can't have around you. Learn from those who are similar to who you want to be. And just read. Read for at least 30 minutes a day. And if you can't do that, even just 10 minutes a day can be beneficial. So make time to read. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that way you're notified every time I upload a video. Also, hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so my video can reach more people. If you haven't seen my top 3 favorite books, go ahead and click the link for the video in the description below. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for your support. I truly am grateful for you. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.